Hey, what's up, you guys? Okay, so today is the day before pre-orders for the Nintendo Switch 2. I think it's going to be pretty cool to go and pre-order. I am trying to scope around sort of right now to sort of see if there's a line going. If not, then I'm going to sort of push back on waiting in line, but I kind of do want to be the first one at my store to pre-order. So the goal is to be in line first. So if everything's good right now, then I'll probably come in tonight. I don't know what the game plan is. Game plan is go, scope, see if there's anybody there, if the line started, if there's any goodies or anything like that. I feel like it's going to be a pretty cool night, I guess. Just waiting for the store to open and order this Switch 2. I'm honestly super excited for it, guys. You guys have no idea. I feel like I've made like at least 6 videos talking about it, how like pre-orders are coming soon, and now it's here. It's crazy because it got pushed back the first date and I was super excited to pre-order. Now's my chance, and I'm gonna be first in line, at least at my store. Like I said, we need a game plan. I don't know. I should put some snacks in my backpack. Maybe, I don't know if I'm gonna stay overnight, maybe, but I guess it all depends. But like I said, guys, I'll keep you guys updated. Currently heading there right now at the GameStop. This is going to be a night to remember. So I went into my GameStop, my local GameStop, to talk about the Switch 2. So a little bit of information. Cool associates. One kind of like rude about it, but I get it. You know, they get questions about the Switch 2 a lot. But honestly, I'm debating on camping out because they said that they have a lot of people that are going to be camping out today. They're getting phone calls saying if it's okay, and assuming they got the okay, and they told me that people should be coming around like maybe, I want to say 5 o'clock. He said around between 5 and 6. Should I camp out? I'm really debating it. So it is currently like 7:12. GameStop closes at 8, but we are going to be camping out tonight because I do want to be at least one of the first 3 getting this Switch. I did order myself a pizza, so I have a pizza in the car. I have some wings and also some Little Caesars crazy breadsticks. But like, this is gonna be a kind of interesting night, but I'm super excited for it. Not much people are here, but there are cars that are parked in the parking lot right now, and there is one person up front but still in their car, meaning I should probably get out soon, but I'm not. I mean, if more people show up, then sure, but right now it's just I'm super excited though. I just want to get this pre-order down and dealt with, but other than that, I will keep you guys updated throughout the process of this pre-order. This is only part 1 of getting the Switch itself. I'm not gonna have it physically, but at least I know I'll have one ready for me June 5th at midnight. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna really enjoy this. But as for now, pre-order. Wait, this is gonna be fun. So it's now 8:18. It is closed. GameStop's closed. We had the first person that got out and put his chair sitting out in GameStop, and I think I'm gonna go inside too and sit probably outside and just start waiting until it's time to go, or time to pre-order. It is currently 11:14. There's more cars that approached. Still sitting here in our cars though. Nobody's gotten off but that one person that brought down the chair. So yeah, just keeping you guys updated little by little, and the night seems to be going by pretty quick, so I'm very grateful for that. So I think I am gonna start standing in line though at 12, just so I know I have a secure spot since more people are showing up right now. It is currently 6 a.m. in the morning, almost ready for us to go inside and order. We got about 5 more hours. Currently live streaming with all of you guys right now as we speak. Take a look at this, chat. Just look at this. We're live on YouTube. But yeah, the plan is to get the Mario bundle Switch alongside with the Pro controller and GameCube controller. And hopefully try to pre-order Donkey Kong Bonanza. Other than that, it's still a waiting game. Currently watching Avengers. Avengers. I was gonna say Endgame, but it's the Infinity War. There we go. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated as time goes on, and possibly film little parts of me when I'm in there pre-ordering it. But yeah, super excited, guys. So it's just a waiting game. I'm ready to go home. I just want a nap. But yeah, stay tuned. Very next day of, oh my god, okay, of the Switch 2. Yeah, it was late. We got in line and I got to pre-order it, so I was first in line. I didn't film the line, but it was definitely really fun. Super excited for pickup on June 5th. Honestly, I'm really tired after yesterday, but I did order the Mario Kart World bundle and then the Donkey Kong Bonanza. So when I got in line, everybody started getting in line and getting out of their cars, so there was about like 30 to 35 people there, and they only had 57 Switches there, 20 of just the base model Switch, and then 37 of the Mario Kart bundle. So I got the Mario Kart bundle. Super excited for it. It's done with now. I was there since from like 6 p.m. all the way up until 11 a.m. So a solid like 18 hours. We're finally home. And honestly, that line was super long, waiting almost 18 hours just to pre-order a Switch, guaranteed. I honestly tried to order them online too, but just like the website kept crashing. But I think it's a better experience to go in person and pre-order and interact with others that are there. I was there since 6 p.m. all the way up until 11 a.m., which is honestly absolutely crazy. I was sitting in my car watching like every Avenger movie and just catching up on a lot, I guess. I was also editing in my car a few videos. But we did it. We finally did it when I told you guys pre-order is coming. But yeah, guys, just wanted to keep you guys updated. I'm super tired right now. I'm just ready to go to sleep or just nap. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys ordered one. And if you did, which one did you get? Did you get the base or the bundle? The bundle was very much well worth it. You're just paying an extra $50 for that game instead of the $80, so you're kind of getting a discount on that game. But yeah, also let me know which accessories you guys got, because I got the Pro Controller, Donkey Kong Bonanza, obviously the Mario Kart that comes with the bundle, and then that's about it. Alright guys, see you guys in the next video.